Recording in 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, this is RLC 321 back again with another model kit unboxing. I mentioned a little while back, in another video, one of the Junchun videos, that I was waiting on a kit coming from Thailand. Now, it is a recast because you cannot get this kit anymore. I haven't been able to find it anymore, the original, but I got it from Thailand, obviously from eBay, and it literally just arrived today. Which is, what is today? I don't even know what today is actually. It is the 28th, which is Friday the 28th of December. There we go. So that's when this is arrived. It's actually come pretty damn quick. I mean, I wasn't expecting it to get here that quickly, because it said between the 2nd to the 24th of January, but this came really quick. It came in a little wrapping thing in there. So, what do we get in the box? Not a lot. We get our parts, and we get what looks like no assembly instructions, just a PVC model kit pre-assembly and painting, and refer to the picture. And the picture is well, it's pretty shit picture, but that's fine because I can get pictures of this off of the internet. But what I really wanted is to see what it was actually like being a recast. It's a vinyl kit. I mean, I don't know what the quality is going to be like of the vinyl or anything like that, so it's just going to be interesting. There we go. So if we take the little picture out, which looks like it's been printed on sticker. Is it on a sticker or is it on glossy? Yeah, it's just on glossy paper. But there's the picture, and here are all the parts. Right. Here's the body section. It's definitely got some yellowing stuff on there, some sanding that needs to be done. If we bring up close here, don't know if we can see. There you got some pitting going on in there. But overall, it looks pretty good. Definitely got some sanding bits to do like that. That should not be there. I mean, for a recast kit, it's not bad. Oh, excuse me. Here we go with the legs. Let's have a little look-see. So we can get up close and personal with these. Got a little bit of thing there, a little bit there that needs to be sanded down. Some nasties here. Yeah, okay, that's the legs. Here is looks like a foot. Yeah, this is going to be his foot. Right there. Okay. His other foot. Again, some of it doesn't look too bad. Other bits look okay-ish. This, I think, is part of the arm. I think it's part of the arm at least, anyway. I'm not entirely sure. A little bit of nasty bits right there. What is it? Could even be the foot. No, that is part of the arm, yeah. This looks like another piece to the arm. Oh, it's got right on there, so. I have to say, you know, this is, I was expecting the worst, but I'm pleasantly surprised. Are you going to focus in? Focus. There you go. A little bit of nice. It's got a little bit of sanding and a little bit of work to do, especially there. But when you get that with most model kits anyway, this looks like it's going to be the shoulder area, to be fair. These. Come on. Focus. Focus. There we go. Yeah, definitely got quite a bit of sanding to do on this one. Sanding, a little bit of putty filling as well. I mean, this is the Mega Smasher Guyver unit that I wanted. So this is the hands. This is the right hand. You gonna focus for me? There we go. There we go. And this is obviously the left. So I'm going to be showing how we go about tackling these kind of kits anyway, so everyone can know how to do them. Here are the blades. It looks like we've got blades. We've got either you can have it as a long bladed or a short bladed version. Right there, there's gonna have to be heated up and straightened out, which I will talk about how you do all that anyway. But it doesn't look too bad. Doesn't look too bad at all. One of the legs. Looks like it's got some mould still in there. Some mould. It looks like it's still in there. But yeah, no, it's actually not bad at all. I'll be honest, I was expecting much worse. It's going to go in to there, like that. Okay. And here's the other leg. And that's kind of going to go into somehow. Huh? How is it? Oh, right. Oh, I see. That goes in there like that. Oh, right. I get you. I got you now. I see what you're putting down. Right. Okay. So it's going to go something like that. Okay. We've got a few issues there on the waist. I mean, a lot of this stuff here is going to be cut off anyway. Where's a pointy? So this stuff here is all going to be cut off anyway, so it shouldn't be too bad. There's a few, luckily these pittings and that is not actually on the kit. There's a little bit there. I don't know if we can get that way. There we go, right there. A little bit of a pit in that. We need that bit. But yeah, okay. And last but not least, the head. Guyver head. Looking pretty good. I mean, this is going to be airbrushed with acrylics and stuff like that as well. So yeah, that needs to be reshaped. Overall, I would say this isn't too bad. No, it's not the worst I've seen. Put it that way. This actually looks quite decent, and it's going to stand about 12 inches tall once it's done. But yeah, it's going to look pretty good. I mean, the eyes are fairly decent. But yeah, no, it's looking quite good. There's a little bit of a. It's going to need some work on it, obviously. I mean, most kits are going to have work on anyway. Whether it's recast or legit, they're still going to have work that needs doing on them. Let me get rid of these staples. I don't want these scratching or anything. So, but yeah, there we go. There's the very quick unbagging boxing thingy bobby of the 12-inch Guyver vinyl model kit, which is going to be coming soon to this video channel. And there we go. And you in there, and then you in there. So look out for the work in progresses of this lovely little kit. As I say, which will be coming soon. And let's have a quick read of these sort of instructions here. This is all you get. Pre-assembly, make sure all the parts are included in the box. Parts list is provided in the instructions. If there are missing or damaged parts, please return it to the store you purchased it from. You may not return the kit once it's been worked on. Follow the instructions carefully. Cut out. Well, there is no instructions. Let me go on to where I bought it from. Let's just see, just in case there is no there may be no instructions included in the actual thing that I bought. What am I doing? My eBay. Right. Where are you? I don't want that. I want purchase history. There we go. Right, let's have a look. 12-inch Mega Smasher, no box me. Display box is not included. Painting. It's finished. No, it doesn't say anything about not having instructions, but it's relatively easy anyway, to be fair. So it's not too much of an issue. So anyway, I want to say thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little bit of an unboxing and not a prequel, a something to look forward to. Well, I know I'm looking forward to it. I love the Guyver series. I love the Guyver anime. I even like the 2 movies that they made of it. So look forward to that coming out in the very near future, and I will say thank you very much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye now.